This is Erlich, the topper chef. Today I'm gonna do, I always wanted to eat braised beef, but it takes so long to cook in the oven. And now we got this new pressure cooker, which I'm gonna try out on the first day. So this is 5 pounds of beef ribs, and I'm gonna try to make it in the cooker. But for this, I'm going to clean the beef ribs properly, and then I have this seasoning, my own spice rub, which is a Nihari seasoning, which is an Indian kind of seasoning, and it has salt, pepper, and then also it has more cayenne pepper added to it. So that's the seasoning, and what I'm going to do is first of all clean this right here. Slowly, you've got to get this out so the seasoning can get inside it. As you can see, I'm making this into individual pieces so I can fit them nicely in my pressure cooker. And I'm gonna let the seasoning sit. Look how nice and lean this is. I especially chose a cut of beef which was nice and lean, and once it is cooked, it will be the bone, the meat, and everything will be so flavorful. This is Topper Chef back again, and you can see our dino ribs. Now what we're gonna do is I've got this pressure cooker here. I'm gonna put this has been marinated now for half an hour. Now, as you can see, we've got this here, and you can hear this. I'm going to sear it properly, all four sides. Take it out. As you can see, we have seared all the four. I didn't think this was going to be so huge. I wanted to make it fit. It's gonna fit, and we have seared everything. Now the whole thing is, I want to use this process, which I used to take 6 hours to cook. I want to do this process in 1 hour, and that's why I'm trying to cook it in the pressure cooker. Now we are ready to try the pressure cooker out. Trying to do my ribs in the pressure cooker. This is 1 cup of beef broth. I don't want to put too much because I want it dry, so I can finish it off in the oven slowly with barbecue sauce. I'm just putting this. Can you hear the searing? I'm going to set it for 1 hour. Okay, I just put the lid on this, and I was thinking of putting it for 1 hour, thinking of, how I do my beef ribs for 4 hours. So now there's only a setting for 35 minutes for beef. So I'm going to try this and see how they turn out to be. The Topper Chef here, back watching how this was going to turn out. Oh my God, the dino ribs. They're all cooked, which I could have not accomplished. Look, they're off the bone. I could have accomplished this in 4 hours. So this was in 45 minutes. There you go. Wow. It looks good. And now I'm going to use this for making my sauce. Okay, this is Topper Chef. Now we got the ribs out, and now I'm gonna make the sauce so I can top this and I can braise it in the oven. I didn't realize this were dino ribs like this. So I'm gonna put some Nihari seasoning in it. 2 tablespoons of Nihari seasoning, which I love, and then lots of barbecue sauce. Let it simmer a little bit with whatever was the reduction of all the beef juices which was left. As you can see, it's nice. You know, everybody says barbecue sauce, the main ingredient for barbecue sauce is tamarind. And that, the tanginess of that barbecue sauce has to be there. Okay, this is not the sauce which we made. Reduction. I'm gonna put this nicely. Look at this. Oh, I tasted the beef. It was so tender. But I want this flavor now on this Texas style dinosaur ribs. Now we're going to put this in the broiler. The broiler is the highest temperature. We're going to broil it only for 10 minutes so the sauce is soak in. So after 20 minutes of broiling, as you can see, we put the sauce. Look at this. This is how it's off the bone. You can take it out and cut it and serve it. Need more sauce? You can always add sauce. Yeah, it's well cooked.